Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the new class of Diwani Jali script. You are watching DIP&ART. We are going to learn letter MEEM and its shapes. First one is pointy and the second one have edges, sharp edges in it. At the heart of the letter MEEM should be 6 dot. First we made the head and then we're gonna make the rest of the body of the letter MEEM, and which is shaped just like the shape of the mango, and it's curved 3 dots, and then completing the letter with the tail of the MEEM, which should be very thin at the end. Let's write it without some guidelines and boundaries. We can end this letter MEEM with the little decoration at the end, which is like spiral shape we use in this Diwani Jali script. There is another shape. The last move of this shape should be very sloppy but not round, just like the we are writing in the letter Alif, like that, and adding the spirals at the end. We use another shape which has 3 moves and which is 2 dots of heart. From here there should be a heart of 2 dots. For the head part, the first shape we can use this when the letter coming after letter MEEM is Ha, Ra or Ya. In rest of the letters we can use this second type of shape. We can modify these shapes depending upon the artwork we are making. Here I am writing word Ilm, which is Ain, Lam and MEEM, and I added the spiral shape at the end. Let's write the name Muhammad. In this I used both of the shapes so that you can understand how we can use this in a word. There's this another shape. We use this for the ha part to fill in the spaces between the a word and then ending the letter with dal. We have these 2 pretty shapes. Time to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video inshallah. This is me Ikra signing off. Fi amanillah.